show how you can actually add DSTV on your Newmax decoder. So whether you want to use the Newmax decoder to track for the DSTV signal, or you are just trying to scan for the DSTV channels to actually get those free FTA channels on the app platform. With the DSTV, since it's a paid TV channels, they have locked all their channels. So unless you use their decoder or you find a way to actually unlock it, which is illegal to do. So for you to use your decoder, which is the Newmax decoder, to track for the DSTV, maybe you don't know the DSTV primary frequency, which will allow you to get a stable signal of all the DSTV channels, watch this video. So all you have to do is to pick up your decoder remote, which is your Newmax decoder remote, and you press on the menu button on your remote, and from the menu page use the arrow keys just to navigate through the settings, and you put it on installation and you press OK on it. So here you need to move on with the default password or confirm the default password on your Newmax decoder. If no one have ever changed, it's supposed to be 40, so you type 0000 for it to open up. And here you have the S2, which is the installation type to be S2, and if you select the T2, those digital channel antenna or the terrestrial channel settings or the menu will pop up. So you need to leave it on the S2, where you can add your DSTV TP to actually track and monitor or scan to get those few FTA channels on the DSTV platform. So you come to the antenna settings, you press OK on it, and here you search through the list if the DSTV satellite is on it. You can use these steps on your FTA decoder if you want to apply it on your FTA decoder, and the decoder that I'm using is having a different interface from your decoder. Just follow the steps. So you search through the list, the satellite list, and then search whether you're gonna find the DSTV satellite, which is Intelsat 36 C or B on it, and then you put it on it, because on that satellite you are likely to find a DSTV primary TP, which you're gonna use to track, monitor, or scan for the DSTV channel. So you look through the list. Intelsat 36 okay, all right, so you have it right here, the 36A on the 36 degrees east. You select it, and then you come to the transponder. You search through the DSTV primary transponder, whereby you get, whenever you get more than 60%, you are going to get all the DSTV channels working. Is the 12245 horizontal 2750. So you search through the list and then you put it on it. If you can't find it from the list, to you select a different satellite, or you add it on this exact satellite. So this, the primary TP, whenever you use, you're gonna get the DSTV signal and the channels working after getting more than 60% of the signal quality. So you select it, and then if you are going to use your decoder to track for the DSTV signal, you put it on it like this, and the next thing that you have to do is to monitor the signal quality. Here I'm having a signal from the DSTV platform, that's why there is a signal quality showing 38-40% over there. So I'm gonna remove the cable for you to know. All right, so if you are not having any signal, the signal quality is gonna show either 0% or maybe 50% or 10% right there. So after having a signal, or when the signal flashes, the quality will actually fill up, indicating that there is a signal for you to stop moving the satellite dish around to get your signal and then scan for the channels. So in case on your decoder you are applying these same steps, you want to use your decoder, but the decoder is not having this satellite which have the DSTV transponder being saved in it, you have to select a different satellite folder and then you add the DSTV transponder. This is the primary transponder. So you go back to the transponder list page where you can add the transponder. So from this page, you select the satellite whereby you want to add the DSTV TP to track or to scan. So with the satellite option, you need to press on the SAT button on the remote for the satellite options to actually pop up. And then you select a satellite whereby you want to add the DSTV primary TP where you're going to actually track or scan to get the channel. So you select, let's say, Eurotel 16A. And for you to add the TP, you press on the red button on the remote for the add menu to pop up. And then you add the DSTV primary TP, which is 122452750 horizontal. So you change it to horizontal polarity, and then you press OK to save. You highlight it. So highlight it like this, and you proceed to track and then monitor for the DSTV channel. So in case you want to scan for the FTA channels, on this page you are not likely to get more of the channels that will be on the DSTV platform, which is whenever you perform a manual search. So you come to the antenna settings page where you're gonna get access to the blind scan option. And then since you are having, if you select the DSTV satellite, you don't need to actually place it on the DSTV frequency, the primary frequency. So you have selected the DSTV satellite, and then all you have to do is to select the scan option to perform the blind scan, or you can also select the exact TP whereby you're having a stable signal, which is their primary TP, that is 12245 horizontal 27500, before you proceed to perform the blind search. So you place it on it like this, and then you come to the scan option. You press on the blue button on your remote for the scan menu to open up, and then you change the scan type to blind. You come to the channel type too. You can select all or leave it on FTA, just to avoid or eliminate all the channels that will have a dollar sign on it, which you are not likely to get it working. But whenever you do this, almost all the DSTV channels, you have only about 5 channels, which is the FTA channels, which you're gonna get access to watch. So you can leave it on the all, and then you perform your blind search. So you press OK on it to proceed. Here all you have to do is to wait for it to complete scanning for you to get access to the channels that all comes after you are done with the scanning. So if you are new here on this channel, all you have to do is to like the video, share on other platforms, subscribe, and then you keep coming back for more. You lose nothing by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and bless up.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.